Hi, this is Brent with Production Expert, and in this video we're looking at how we can use VocAlign Ultra to scan through different sections of the arrangement and tighten the alignment of our vocals. Let's have a listen to what we have, and then I want to demonstrate how I'm using it quickly and effectively inside Studio One.
Wear my heart on my sleeve, not hold back until I can see your face, covered in golden dust. I'll not make the same mistakes, won't regret a single day with you. With you.
So as you can hear there, some of the phrases in the verse definitely need tightening up, as well as the chorus also needs tightening up. But what I want to do is, I want to process them ever so slightly differently. I want the verse to have more of a natural feel and the chorus to have a little bit of a tighter feel. And for the first time in VocAlign Ultra, we can actually control the alignment and the tightness of the alignment. So I'm going to load VocAlign Ultra up and drop in my guides and my dubs as I normally would. And then I'm going to play around with the maximum difference control to show you how we can use this to adjust the feel of the overall alignment. So we've got all of our vocals loaded into Ultra. Let's have a listen to what it's done.
Wear my heart on my sleeve, not hold back until I can see your face, covered in golden dust.
So straight away, it's tightened up the end of the phrases, which was really starting to bug me. For the first time ever, we can now control how much alignment is applied to our vocals. So for example, the verse section here, I want it to have a more natural feel compared to the chorus, which I want to be tighter. It's worth noting that once you've captured your dubs, any changes you made to the max difference control will only apply to the dub that is currently selected. In this scenario, I'm just going to change the max difference of the main dub and leave the left and right channels for both the verse and the chorus at the maximum tightness because I want them to be nice and tight in the stereo field. I can do that by simply just pulling back on the max difference control here, and it will affect the alignment tightness. And as we can see, it processes a new output signal, and that's it, it's ready. Let's have a listen.
Wear my heart on my sleeve, not hold back until I can see your face.
So I liked it before when it was actually a tad tighter, so let's try tightening it up a little more.
Your face, covered in golden dust.
Now what I want to do is, I want to also capture the chorus vocals, and I can do all of this on one single track. So I don't have to have a separate verse and chorus track. So let's do the same thing, and I will capture my guides and my dubs. And as we can see, in the timeline view here, we can actually use VocAlign to scrub through the timeline and follow along. So now we have all of our chorus vocals in, and what's really nice is I can now process these differently with the max difference control. Let's see what that sounds like. So as we can hear, those chorus vocals are nice and tight. And if we get all of this sorted before we even begin mixing, it's going to make our life so much easier. What I really love about the timeline scrub here is I can go back to different sections and we can see the actual max difference changes when we toggle between each individual section. So our verse vocals are slightly looser and more natural sounding compared to our chorus vocals, which are at the maximum tightness. So this is nice and easy to understand and really simple to actually achieve when trying to tighten up your vocals. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.